Hey y'all, what's going on? It is summertime. You know what that means? It's time to make some burgers. Now, that's where the Blackstone really does shine. It does a lot of stuff really, really good, but one thing it really, really does good is a burger. But today we're doing the classic all-American burger with cheese. That's right. It's 4th of July weekend. It's time to make some classic burgers. But before we get started, if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell notification, and giving this video a thumbs up. And hey, let us know down below that you decided to join us here at the Crazy Acres. Would love to have you. If you've been here, thank you so much. Because of you, we're here. Because of you, we're growing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, if you're looking for other recipes we may have done, look down below in the description. Right there, you'll find a link to our recipe playlist where you'll find all the recipes we have done. And that playlist is still growing. But if you don't happen to see what you're looking for, let us know. We'll see if we can't put it on the list. Hey, get it cooked for you. Can't never tell. Also, while you're down there, check out all the links. We got a Facebook, a Pinterest, an Instagram, a Twitter. We got an email. We even got a P.O. box. We got all kind of ways to get in contact with us and keep up with all the going-ons around here. And if you're looking for all the fun that we've been having, go check out our other channel, Hanging with the Crazy Crew. That's where you're going to find all our theme park and all our other fun things that we've been doing. But with that being said, we got to fire this griddle up and show you some groceries. All right, y'all. Let's get this thing fired up. I think I'm going to go that burner. Oh, let's just go these 3 burners like normal. I don't know why I like doing that. It's just my method of cooking. You don't have to do it that way. You can go all burners, but I'm only cooking 6 burgers, so I think right here is all I need. But I'm gonna go down to right below a medium. Right below medium. And if we adjust it, like always, I'll let you know. Y'all check out these beautiful groceries. We have here 6 1/3 pound ground chuck patties. Yeah, I did buy them already made, but you know, if you want to make your own, that's perfectly fine. I have here some American cheese, have some buns, we have some lettuce, onion, and tomato, some thick slice. Got some salt and pepper, that's all we're gonna use to season with. Got some pickles here. We got some mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup, however you wanna dress it, and y'all, that's it. Y'all check out what I done went and got. I got me a helper, didn't I? You gonna help me cook these burgers? Yeah, because you know why? Because he loves a good burger. Well, guess what? Look what it's doing. You know what that means? What does that mean? That means it's time to get some groceries on the griddle. Let's just get it on here. Listen to this, y'all. You ready for this? Sound of the sizzle. Oh, yeah. I still think that ought to be like a relaxing tone. You know, like, hey, Alexa, play Sounds of the Sizzle by Blackstone. All right. Now from here, we're gonna put some salt and pepper on here. Can you help me with this? Now be careful, it's hot right here, okay? Let's just shake some pepper on here. There you go. A bit of salt on each one. There you go. Get a little closer. All right, you got it going. There you go. Great job. Man can shake a salt shaker, you hear me? All right, buddy. We got them on the griddle. Now all we got to do is keep an eye on them. When they start browning up about halfway or so, we'll give them a flip. That's simple. All right, y'all. I think these burgers are about ready to flip. You ready to flip them? Let's flip some burgers. Man gonna flip a burger. There you go. Oh yeah, look at that crust on there, boy. Yeah, buddy. Flip it. Flip it. Don't be scared of it. There you go. Show that burger who's the boss. Man, you good as SpongeBob. Can we get those in the back? All right, let me get these back here in the back, y'all. Yeah, buddy. All right, got them flipped. Got a pretty good sear on one side of them. I think we're gonna cut the temperature down now to low. Let's finish these burgers up. Y'all, guess what? Guess what? Burgers are done. You ready to take these things up and make a burger? Yep. Let's turn the heat off. You turn that one off. There you go. Turn it off. Push it in. Turn it off. There you go. Got it. All right, y'all. Let's build us a burger. We cut the heat off, fix the butter burger, but I think we ought to toast these buns up real quick. So let's throw them on the griddle while they're still hot. All right, while these buns are toasting up, let's get some cheese on these burgers. One more. And the heat off this griddle is gonna help melt them down, toast them buns up. It's gonna be some good eating here in a minute. All right, y'all, let's check these buns. Cheese is melted down pretty good now. Oh, y'all look at the toast on that bun, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, buddy, that's what we're looking for. Time to build a burger. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and build me a burger. I don't know about everybody else. I'll let them build theirs the way they want, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna build me the classic all-American burger with cheese. Give me a nice, pretty toasted bottom. Beautiful burger right there. I think from here, I'm gonna go with a little bit of lettuce. Put some lettuce on there. Big old fat tomato. Some beautiful onion, like that. What y'all think about that? Now, put a little mustard on here. A little bit of ketchup. Some pickles. And then top it off. What y'all think about that burger? How's that for a burger? Y'all, I have built a beautiful burger. Y'all check this out. Y'all look at that burger. Of course, I have to throw a pickle spear in here too. I don't know about you. I do believe that that burger is going to be good. Well, there it is. Perfect for 4th of July, summer cookouts, whatever. Now, you know, smash burgers are great. I love a good smash burger, but when you just come down to it, just a classic all-American burger, it's just hard to beat it. It really is. Now, as far as seasoning goes, I just salt and pepper. Now, if you want to use other kind of seasonings, that's perfectly fine. Use whatever you want. I was just doing a plain, classic, all-American burger. Nothing fancy, nothing, you know, spectacular, but it does look good. Speaking of which, I got to try this out. That is a big bite, y'all. That's a big burger right there. Let's see if I can come from this side. Oh boy. Got them. That is delicious. Juicy. Juice coming out of it. Perfectly cooked. That lettuce, tomato, and onion. And the pickles. Just right. Hey, and speaking of which, let me know how you want to build your burger. I would love to know. Because everybody has their own, you know, choices. And also, that toasted bun really tops this off. So, next cookout, break out the Blackstone, make you some just classic burgers. It's gonna be hard to beat, I promise you. Everybody at your house and whoever you invite over will love it. So, I gotta finish this, cook some more for the crazy kids, and we'll see you next time.